Unless I miss something. Just as many threads, about halfway there. Yep. Okay. It's coming down. More threads. Hasn't dropped yet. Alright, we there? Man. Alright. Those are the 4 bolts. Now what's going to happen here? I hear it, don't you? Okay, it's dropped. Now, what all is in the way here? What haven't I removed? See a cable of some sort. What is that? Sure. Two things here. Don't know what that is. Okay. It's held on by that. What the heck? Okay, the steering wheel. Okay. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. Looky there. I am not sure what that is. That goes over there. Oh, okay. That's got to be the steering wheel lock, I believe. Because this is, yeah, okay. It's your steering wheel lock when you're in park. When it's in park, and then you, because that's going to, I believe that is going to that. Goes to your, it's something to do with the, goes to your steering, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to get that out of here. Another Torx tip. I'm not sure. Again, I'm still not sure what that is. But to get it out of here, I'm going to have to disconnect that. Alright, it's my Torx tip 15. That should take care of this here. Okay. two screws holding it in. We'll find out what happens when we do that. Looks like it's popping out. They lie to me. Two different screws here. Oh, there it went. Okay. Same head, but one is silver. I really want to keep them so I don't lose them. That's silver one, and this one here is a black one. Okay, so whatever this was is, it's got a little spring-loaded cable, and I'm pretty sure it's hooked up to your transmission handle. Let's see if it moves. Look, see if the cable moves. Yep, see? You see it move? It's now locked. I can't move that handle. So I think the minute I pull this, will I push it? One way or the other, it's going to cause it to free that. So now, as you can see, I now have the steering column in my hand. That's what it looks like. That's your main master plug. There's your horn. Looks like your horn plugs. It rotates on that, and then sure all your connection for your cruise control is probably in this too. There's your ignition. This ignition is broken. That's why probably all this is overrode, because it has an ignition. It had a switch that you flipped to start it. So there we go. Takes care of that. I wouldn't particularly, probably not want that one in the, well, it's not going to really matter, because your main harness that plugs into here is going to be in the other one, and that all is well, but going to have to go in and replace the ignition switch. And of course, once you do that, well, actually the door locks are different, have a different key than the ignition key. So takes care of that. Let's put this back up the back seat. There's a spare now. Alright, now I can get in here and see what I got here. Just to backtrack to the removal of the steering column. 4 bolts, and that holds that in. Here's your telescope or shaft, or it's got a U-joint, and then the shaft that goes down to your drive or your rack. So now I got 2 more bolts back there. I don't think this comes out, does it? Because that's not the problem. I want to use that whole assembly if I can. So let's get back to, I'm going to remove those 2 bolts that go through the firewall. I'm not sure. I think those kind of look like.